In today's video, we'll learn how to use the crop tool and guided transform tool to straighten a crooked film scan. To start off, we'll hit the R key and jump into the crop tool, and we'll just drag these edges in. And then move the mouse outside of the selected area and a directional arrow will pop up. If you click and drag, you can rotate the photo. So we'll try to get that somewhat straight. It won't be perfect because we haven't used the guided transform tool yet. This just kind of gets us on the right track. I'll drag these edges out and hit the enter key to close the crop tool, and scroll down to the transform tool, click on guided, and click on the guided upright tool. And what we'll do is come to any corner, it doesn't matter which one you start on, you just want to line up the cross with the line of the photo in the film border, get that as close as you can, click and drag across, and try to get the cross in about the same place as where you started, and then let go. And then come to another edge, same thing, line up the cross with the film border and the photo, click and drag. Same thing in this section, line up the cross, click and drag. And on this edge, same thing, click and drag. You can move these if you need to readjust them. Once you're done, I close the guided transform tool by hitting the R button for the crop tool. And then we just have to drag these edges back in. And then I've shot this picture was a 6x6 negative, so when I scan them, they're sideways. So to correct that, hold the control key and hit the left bracket, and it'll rotate so it looks normal. And there we have it. That's how you can quickly correct a crooked film scan. This works for obviously 120 because that's what this is. Works for 35mm. It would work for large format as well. That's all for this video. We'll see you in the next one.